In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customer lists to QuickBooks Online. If you've been keeping your customer details in a spreadsheet, bringing them into QuickBooks Online will save time and reduce manual entry. Before we jump in, a quick note about your file. QuickBooks works well with CSV or Excel files that have a clear header row, like display name, company, email, phone, and billing address. Keep entries consistent. Avoid merged cells, and make sure each customer has a unique display name. Clean data going in means cleaner records coming out. Let's get started. Open QuickBooks Online in your browser and make sure you're in the right company. In the top right corner, click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped button that opens the main tools and preferences. From there, look for Import Data. This option takes you to the place where QuickBooks brings lists into your books, so you don't have to type them manually. On the import screen, you'll choose the type of data you want to bring in. Since we're working with customers, select that category. Then choose Customers and click Import. You may see helpful guidance here, including format tips and sometimes a sample file you can reference to ensure your columns match what QuickBooks expects. Next, click Browse. This opens your computer's file picker so you can locate your customer list. Select your CSV or Excel file and confirm. If your file has multiple sheets, be sure the customer data sits on the first sheet and your headers are clear. Keep an eye on things like date formatting and phone number styles so they're consistent throughout the file. Once your file is selected, QuickBooks analyzes it and displays your columns alongside the customer fields it recognizes. Use this view to make sure the right columns line up with the correct fields. For example, the column that holds email addresses should map to the email field and so on. If a column doesn't have a match, you can choose to leave it unmapped or adjust your file and try again later. If there are any duplicates, like two customers with the same display name, QuickBooks will flag them so you can decide how to handle those records. After everything looks good, proceed with the import. You'll see a confirmation summary and, shortly after, your customers will appear in the customers list within QuickBooks Online. Take a moment to scan a few records to confirm the key details came in as expected. That's it. You've successfully imported your customer list into QuickBooks Online, and you're ready to put those records to work.